Fix the strap.
And it caved in on you.
I'll take this.
The litter caved in. You got to fix the strap.
Hurry up, get him into the A stick.
What?
Get him into the A stick.
It's the underside, sorry.
You gotta strap him.
They're not strapped in. At the bottom or the top.
Well, what I'm saying, the litter isn't extended on the bottom anyway. Like it's not opened up.
That's my point. Are y'all gonna leave it like that, or are you gonna fix it?
It's fine for now, sorry.
What's up, man?
You can help him.
Yeah.
Looking good.
Now when I take this PT test.
American Eagle.
I'm trying to gain weight.
Another one on the. Just keep pushing. We gotta wait for the second line.
I'll put that down. Sky, where's 109 going?
Bilateral. He's breathing. Soldier medic, do it again. Do Earl again.
Where's the rest of you guys? There's only 4.
Help him.
Really?
Why is he just laying there?
Where's senior medic?
Why is there 2 medics on 1 casualty and we have 1 casualty sitting right here?
Oh, I have way more casualty. You're not even looking for them.
That guy needs help. They said, can you do a triage if they don't have all of his gear? Tired.
Is he gonna be okay?
Senior medic, where's your senior medic?
Senior medic, haul ass back. Unless he left somebody.
If you guys watch one more, watch him. He just has a little bit of bleeding in his right arm.
Anyone else in there?
Okay, you could talk.
There you go. Good communication. That's what I like. Good job.
Hey, Gaza! Grab this one too. All right. How many more are back there? A bunch.
Why casualty is not fully exposed? Why casualty is not fully exposed, senior medic? Yeah, casualty with the little head. Go down, senior medic.
Alright, you gotta stop bleeding over here. Can you hear me? Are you awake or conscious or anything like that? No. Hey, you got an extra tourniquet over there? I've used up all mine.
Improvise.
No? Release on? Maybe dead.
Ah!
What they said?
Let's go!
Where's that fuck me? Damn.
Somebody's asking help, not there. What you gonna do? They're screaming for help.
Ouch! Ouch! Tommy! Tommy!
Hello? Hey, are you okay? Can you move?
Yes, I am.
If you don't expose this casualty before he dies.
Alright, fuck, gotta crush wood right here.
That's my boy right there, man.
Really, Soldier Medic.